Vanakkam all, Combs here from CubenSquare. So we have got a job opportunity for Red Hat OpenShift Engineer 2 for a bank in Bangalore. This would be work from office. So here I'm just sharing you the job responsibilities, tools and technology experiences required for this job opening. So if you feel that you have the experience, hands-on experience, and if you are willing to relocate to Bangalore, kindly do share your profile and we'll take it forward. So this includes hands-on experience in managing the cloud environment, working with the container technologies, and you also need to have experience on the IT operations as well. So as an OpenShift engineer too, you will be responsible for managing operations across public, private, and hybrid cloud environments. Your day-to-day operations will involve getting the task assigned through tools like Jira, including stories, bugs, and then with respect to incident change and problem management through the ITSM tickets, either ServiceNow or other Atlassian tools. Your primary focus will be ensuring the availability and performance of cloud services and managing the infrastructure, managing the platforms, and mainly with the agreed service level agreements. When it comes to tools and technology experience, we would go with the cloud platforms. Either you can have experience towards AWS or GCP. You need to have understanding and hands-on experience towards the services, the deployment models, the best practices for managing the cloud resources. When it comes to containerization and orchestration, you need to have experience on Docker, Kubernetes, and most importantly, the proficient with Red Hat OpenShift. And when it comes to Red Hat OpenShift, you should also have exposure towards enterprise security, management, scalability to Kubernetes, then source to image, operators, integrated Jenkins CI/CD pipelines, then pods, deployments, servers, routes, persistent volume climbs, operators, config maps, secrets, and all. And with respect to Linux, you must possess the experience on Linux, including the kernel parameters, tuning, and automation stuff. Then with respect to, again, on Red Hat OpenShift, along with whatever we have shared before, you also need to have experience and exposure towards multi-tenancy, security policies, namespace, resource quota, limit ranges. Then on cloud networking, you need to have deep dive knowledge towards the networking works in OpenShift, that is service mesh, Istio, and network policies, managing the traffic within and outside the cluster. When it comes to automation, if you have experience on Ansible, it's well and good. Apart from that, if you have knowledge on Terraform or CloudFormation tool, yes, those will be added advantage. When it comes to monitoring and logging, you need to have experience and exposure towards the open source platforms like Prometheus, Grafana, then ELK, that is Elastic, Logstash, and Kibana. Okay, so that when asked, you should be able to explain what are the steps you will be taking when there is a troubleshooting scenario happening, right? And then the security best practices, focusing towards role-based access control, network security policies, container image scanning, and finally, you need to have the operations knowledge with respect to incident, problem, and change management as well. So if you feel that, if you are confident that you have experience and exposure towards all these tools and technologies, please feel free to share your profile to us. Our team will call you for the first level of interview. If you are clear on that, we'll be sharing your profile directly to the tech panel to the bank. Thank you all.